Let's go back to the TechWiz LCD 2D program, and I will tell you some advanced functions, variable and link. Simulation can be performed by setting multiple variables. You may already figure it out. Red or blue arrow is displayed for each item. If the blue arrow is displayed, it means that you can utilize the variable function. As an example, if you want to calculate the VT curve according to the cell gap change, you can use this function. So let's do it. Click LC layer and click this button. After that, just select the variable and then move on to the Variables tab. The method to set the variables is the same as the way to apply the voltage condition. For example, if you want to calculate the 3 types of cell gap, please enter like this. And then let's check the result. Please save this file and click this Run button. And then click Continue. When the calculation is completed, 2D viewer automatically appears. Let's output a VT curve according to the cell gap change. Select voltage and transmittance, and then change the thickness as variable. Click plot. The output result is a VT curve according to the cell gap change. Next, let's output the polar chart of contrast according to the cell gap change. For the data, please select contrast and then change the thickness as variable. Click plot. So, in the variable item, you can select a particular cell gap and check the polar chart result. Let's go back to the program. The next one is a link. It is an advanced function of the variable. 2 or more variable conditions can be linked together. I will show you an example. At first, let's remove the previous variable condition for the LC thickness. Click the top polarizer and change the phi angle as variable. As the same way, click the bottom polarizer and change it as variable. After that, when you click the Variables tab, you can see the 2 variable conditions. However, it is quite difficult to distinguish the 2 polarizer conditions. So I will change the name as bottom polarizer. And let's set the specific calculation conditions. For the bottom polarizer, I will enter like this. And for the top polarizer, I will enter like this. What is the total number of cases in which the calculation is performed? If you use a variable function, the answer is 9, because 3 multiples by 3 is total 9 cases. How about using a link option? There will be 3 cases because it is a one-to-one correspondence. And there are some precautions about the link option. The items to be linked are designated with the same name, and the number of variables must be the same. So, to use the link option, first, the same number or letter in the link item is linked to each other. For example, let's link 2 conditions with the letter A. Therefore, the conditions of the top polarizer and bottom polarizer are linked together. Second, the number of variables that you enter in the condition must be the same. In this case, we are using 3 variables, so it makes sense. When everything is done, please save this file and then click the Run button. In the Confirm variable list, you can check the link items as follows. However, I will not check the link result. Please check it out by yourself. So until now, we have checked the variable and link options.